I'm Deathlake. I just came back from a yellow sticker sale from Asda. I'm going to go through this mini haul of this sale. We're going to start off with this lemon and pepper pork loin steaks, originally £4, but it ended up being 20p. So this is be great for put it in the freezer for now. Next is pork pies, which ended up being 20p, and it was originally, you know what, I'm going to check the receipt how much this was originally. I think this is originally £2.20. So, and then it turned to 20p. Bread, which is now 10p. Bread, which is now end up being 10p. It's roughly about £1 something normally. These pots of joy chocolate, still good to eat for today, and they end up being 20p, and it originally was £1. £1. I think it was originally £1. Corn egg picnic. Bought 2 of these. They end up being 20p, and they were originally £1.50, and then they end up being 20p. They're so delicious. Bought 2 of those. More pork pies. These also ended up being 20p. They were originally £2. Grapes, they turned into 46p, and they were originally 2 for £2, so about £1. 50%. These bagels, they end up being 18p, and they were originally, let's see, these was originally £1.60, and ended up being 18p. This bacon and chicken barbecue sandwich, probably part of a meal deal. This ended up being 20p, and it was originally, let's see, £1.87. So it was originally £1.87 and ended up being 20p. All this ended up being £3.88. All this is literally less than a full price of pork loin steaks. It's a real to think about. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content. Please do comment below if you would ever buy near expired foods for a discounted price. Thank you for watching.